When it comes to understanding if someone secretly likes you, body language can be the ultimate giveaway. Unlike words, which can be rehearsed or misleading, body language often reveals the truth. If you've been wondering whether he has feelings for you, keep watching because we're going to explore some key body language signs that might just confirm your suspicions. 1. Strong and consistent eye contact. Eye contact is one of the most powerful forms of nonverbal communication. When a guy is interested in you, he'll naturally try to maintain eye contact. It's not just about looking, it's about how he looks. If he locks eyes with you often, especially during conversations, it's a subconscious way of building a connection. 2. His body is always facing you. The way someone positions their body tells a lot about where their attention lies. If he consistently positions his chest, shoulders, or feet toward you, it's a sign he's focused on you. Even in a group setting, this small detail can reveal a lot about his feelings. 3. Subtle physical touch. Physical touch is another key indicator. If he finds reasons to touch your arm, shoulder, or back in a friendly but deliberate way, it's his way of testing boundaries and showing interest. These touches are often light and non-threatening, but they signal a desire to connect with you on a deeper level. 4. Mirroring your movements. Mirroring is a psychological phenomenon where someone subconsciously imitates the movements and gestures of the person they're attracted to. If you notice him mirroring your posture, gestures, or even the way you speak, it's a strong sign he feels connected to you and is subconsciously trying to match your energy. 5. Leaning in during conversations. When someone leans in while you're talking, it's more than just about hearing you better. It's about closing the distance. Leaning in is a strong sign of interest, as it shows he's actively engaged in what you're saying and wants to create a sense of intimacy between you. 6. Adjusting his appearance. If he frequently fixes his hair, straightens his clothes, or checks himself in reflective surfaces when he's around you, it's a subconscious way of trying to look his best. This behavior often happens when he's nervous or wants to leave a positive impression. 7. Pointing his feet toward you. Feet are one of the most telling parts of body language because they're often overlooked. If his feet are pointed toward you, it's a subconscious sign of his interest. This detail shows that his focus is directed at you, even if he's not actively speaking to you. 8. He smiles more around you. Smiling is a universal sign of happiness, and when he's around you, you might notice his smile becomes more frequent or natural. This isn't about polite grins. It's about genuine smiles that show he's enjoying your presence. 9. He finds reasons to be close to you. Proximity is another clear sign of attraction. If he's always finding excuses to sit or stand close to you, even in crowded spaces, it's a strong indication he wants to be near you. This closeness shows he's comfortable around you and is trying to create more opportunities for interaction. 10. Raised eyebrows. When he sees you. A subtle but telling sign is when his eyebrows lift slightly upon seeing you. This is often an involuntary reaction that shows he's excited or happy to be around you. It's one of those quick subconscious signals that can reveal his feelings. 11th. Open body posture. An open body posture, such as uncrossed arms and legs, shows he's comfortable and receptive to you. If he avoids closed-off gestures, like crossing his arms or turning away, it's a positive sign that he's open to building a connection. 12th. Nervous energy around you. Sometimes attraction can make people a little nervous. If he fidgets, plays with objects, or seems slightly uneasy but in a positive way, it could be because he's trying to impress you. Nervous energy often comes with excitement and a desire to make a good impression. Body language is an incredible tool for understanding how someone truly feels about you. While each of these signs alone may not be definitive, when several of them align, they can reveal a lot about his hidden feelings. The key is to observe these behaviors over time and in different settings. Remember, the best connections come from authenticity, so while these signs can help you decode his feelings, always focus on clear communication to truly understand each other. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into relationships and attraction. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.